आज आप सीखेंगे how to introduce yourself in English. Don't just listen to Khurshid sir. I will ask you simple English questions. You will give the answer. Are you ready to face this simple challenge? So let's do it. Question number 1 for you. What is your name? Say, my name is, then your name. Okay. Okay, one more time. Okay, like, my name is Khurshid sir. Okay, next question. Where are you from? Say, I'm from Kashmir. Or I'm from Mumbai. Your turn. Okay, once again. Very good. Next question. Where do you live? Say, I live in Sonamarg. I live in Srinagar. You will speak about your place. One more time. Excellent. What do you do? अगर आप एक स्टूडेंट हो, say, I am a student. अगर आप जॉब करते हैं तो आप कह सकते हैं I work as a teacher. I work as a doctor. I work as a video editor. Your turn. Okay, one more time. Excellent. Well done. What is your hobby? Say, I like playing cricket, or I like playing football. I like cooking. I like reading books. Your turn. Okay, one more time. Excellent. Now I will put all these sentences together to make it easier for you to introduce yourself in English. Hi, my name is Khurshid sir. I'm from Kashmir. I live in Gandarbal. I am an English speaking coach for students. I like playing cricket. Okay, now it is your turn to introduce yourself. Let's do it. Introduce yourself now. Okay, say my name is. Okay, I'm from. Good. I live in. Okay, I'm a student, or I work as a. Okay, I like playing. Excellent. Don't wait for perfect English. Speak simple English sentences. Practice more. The more you practice, more confident and fluent you become. अगर आप इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस को रियल में प्रैक्टिस करना चाहते हैं खुर्शीद सर के साथ, तो अभी चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए.